Hello, my name is Noah Smith, and today I'll be walking you through my Creed portfolio. Um, for this class, it would be Cap 265. It's my career development part 3 class. So walking through my portfolio, when you go in right into it, you can go in and look at my courses and all my courses and the titles and what they are, what they're for. To give you a rundown, one of my classes was business management and principles, and to give you a brief description of that course, it was to creating a proposal and assigning management and leadership roles for a fundraising event, and that is the outcome of the course. Of course, and just pause. Okay, and as you walk through my creed, you could go into my reports and you can see the different classes that I've taken and what the teachers may have said. In my last class, the assignment was a multicultural, awareness project, and I did fairly well on it. The next would be my business and law ethics. Then as you go down, also as you go through, you'll be able to see my resume and my achievements that I've achieved. The grades I have gotten in all my classes that require a portfolio project. Looking back, in one of my classes, my career development theory and practice class, I had 100 in that class for the project, and this project was pretty much to reflect on your career plan and to be able to summarize clearly what will help you in the course, and to have strong goals or solid methods and how you achieve those goals throughout the class and also when you're finished with the class. Next would be my office and spreadsheet class, which was primarily to create a voiceover using Microsoft Excel and Access 2016 programs. As you go down, you will see my business law and ethics, which was the outcome of that class was to be able to create PowerPoints and complete with a voiceover and notes detailing the importance of cyber staking and how to prevent it happening to your company. Next, you have Math 201, which was with this portfolio project, which the outcome was to be able to create and design a PowerPoint with a voiceover note showcasing our student loans and the repayment plan with interest with a period of 9, 7, and 5 years. And within that project, it was relatively easy because I do not have any student loan, and so I had to kind of tap into what if. as you go down, you will see I had a econ class. In this econ class, the outcome was to be able to create, or was to be able to apply your macroeconomy theory and basic principles to apply to data settings and graphics. And that's pretty much some of my portfolio project, which pretty much all of them. And when you go through my Micread and you click on the link, you'll be able to see my name, my business email, or not my business email, my professional email. I believe there is my link to my LinkedIn, and of course all the courses that I've taken, included the most recent one, and that is all.